Roll out the snowplows, we've got a barrel of snow. Yes, we certainly did. And we are still getting it right now. It can stop at any time, but from what I hear from a girlfriend of mine I just got off the phone with, it's supposed to snow right on through. Just forget about it for the next 3 days or so. It's just going to keep snowing. But I've got my cinnamon hearts, so I don't care. You know, everybody's been doing these vlogs lately, a vlog a day forever, and I don't know how they're doing it. Van, you're doing a terrific job. And I just can't seem to find much to talk about, except for, I don't know whether many of you watched The Bachelor. I guess you guys wouldn't. And I don't know why I started watching it this year, but something about that show. Now this fella, whatever his name is, I've forgotten now. See, I wouldn't be any good on one of those shows because I'd forget the name of the fella that was dating us. But whatever his name is, he, Brad, I think? Brad. This is his second time, and he left the other girls, I guess, in the lurch the last time he was on. Like I say, I hadn't watched it, so I don't know. But anyway, those of you that do watch The Bachelor, have you noticed that some of the girls on the show have issues? Like, I mean, some of them had really deep-seated, deep-rooted problems. Like, and I don't think that these shows are very safe. Maybe they're all actors, or some of them are actors to make things a little bit more exciting, but there's a couple of girls on there that, you know, they're missing a string of fish. And I was just wondering what you people thought of it. I don't know. And the other thing that I wanted to talk about too was, I don't know whether you all watch American Idol, but about Steven Tyler, that's one of the judges now from Aerosmith. The way he looks at the young girls and the things he says to them, it kind of gives me the creeps. Because, I mean, like, how old is he now? Is he close to my age? Like, is he near 60? I think so. I think he's a grandfather now. It just, I don't know, it just rubs me the wrong way, and I was wondering what you people thought of it. You know, it's funny because at first I never really liked, what's the girl's name on there? What's one of the names? J-Lo. Yeah, Jennifer Lopez. That's it. But she, at first I thought, oh no, Jennifer Lopez, you know. But the more I watch her, I think I kind of like her. But then again, you don't know whether they're acting and they're just putting on this niceness about them. But when she was shedding some tears there, it kind of looked like they were real. And oh, I'm so bored. I have cabin fever. Like, I've got to get out of here. I just, ugh. Like, we probably got 8 to 10 inches last night, and of this lovely white fluffy stuff that turned out to be as heavy as lifted cement. So I thought I'd put a little bit in here to show you what my backyard looks like, but this was taken hours ago, and by now it looks totally different, so it's probably got another couple of inches on it since I took this video of the backyard. Have a bath in that, birdies. There's Meeka's paths. Meeka's gonna talk and say, I love you, Mommy. Meeka? Meeka, you love Mommy? Oh, Meeka. Meeka, love Mommy? I love you. I love you. Meeka, sit. Sit, Meeka. Paw. Good girl. Paw, Meeka. No, up pretty. Oh, honey. I hope everybody is well and staying home safe and warm. I would really love to be able to do a vlog a day, but I think I'd be really boring. Unless I can remember a lot more stories from when I was little. They're never boring, are they? And Sock Monkey still hasn't made it to England. I have a funny feeling that he could be somewhere warm. He might have just jumped on another plane and he's down in the Bahamas or somewhere. All right, everybody. Have a great day. Take care. Hug somebody. I'll talk to you all soon. Bye for now.
I'm out of here.